There's a certain kind of home you never forget. You walk in and don't even think about the smell. You just feel calmer. Your shoulders drop. Your breathing slows. The space feels safe, warm, cared for. It might have been a subtle citrus note, clean laundry in the air, something soft and comforting you couldn't explain, but you didn't want to leave. Now, pause for a moment. When was the last time your own home gave you that feeling? Most people scrub, spray, light candles, open a few windows, and still feel like something's missing. The house looks clean, but it doesn't feel fresh. It doesn't feel inviting. It doesn't feel alive. And that's not your fault. No one ever teaches us how scent actually works in a home. Not the quick fixes, not the chemical sprays, but the quiet systems that keep a home smelling good all the time. Today, you're learning those systems. These are the same principles used in luxury hotels, spa retreats, and beautifully staged homes. No expensive products, no heavy perfumes, just habits that work. By the end of this video, you'll stop chasing smells and start building them into your daily life. And before we begin, I'd love to hear from you. What's one smell that instantly makes you feel at home? Comment it down below. Your answers help others more than you realize. Secret 1. Ventilate with intention. Most lingering home odors don't come from dirt. They come from trapped air. Stale air holds on to cooking smells, humidity, dust, fabric odors, pet dander, and even old cleaning product residue. It just sits there unless you move it. The solution is not open a window now and then. The solution is cross-ventilation. That means opening 2 windows or doors on opposite sides of your home, even slightly, so air actually moves through instead of drifting in and stopping. 15 to 30 minutes a day changes everything. Do it in the early morning. Do it just before sunset. Even in winter, 5 minutes is enough to reset the air. Closets matter too. Bathrooms without windows matter. Laundry spaces matter. Leave those doors open during your ventilation window. Use a small fan to guide airflow if needed. Moving air doesn't just remove odor, it changes the emotional weight of a room. Homes that breathe feel lighter, clearer, easier to live in. If your home ever feels heavy without a clear reason, start with the air. Secret 2. Textiles hold the smell of your life. You can mop daily and still live inside odor if your fabrics are holding it hostage. Curtains, throws, couch cushions, rugs, bedding, mattresses, chair pads. These are silent scent sponges. Every meal, every visitor, every season leaves something behind. That's why so many clean homes still smell off. Here's what works without exhausting you. Sheets and pillowcases once a week. Curtains vacuumed monthly or lightly washed. Rugs sprinkled with baking soda for 20 minutes, then vacuumed. Upholstery wiped with water plus vinegar and a few drops of essential oil. Lavender, citrus, chamomile, eucalyptus. Not sprayed, whispered. When textiles are fresh, your whole house feels refreshed, even on days you never lifted a mop. And I want to ask you something personal here. Which fabric in your home do you think holds the most scent right now? Your couch, your rugs, or your bedding? Comment down below. Secret 3. White vinegar, the silent deodorizer. This one scares people at first because vinegar smells strong for a few minutes. But after it works, it disappears completely, and so do the odors. Unlike store sprays, vinegar doesn't hide scent. It destroys it at the source. Use it like this: a small bowl behind the trash, under the sink, near pet areas, inside problem closets overnight. By morning, the odor is gone. The vinegar smell is gone too. For surfaces, half water, half vinegar, a few drops of lemon or lavender oil. Cabinets, tables, bathroom tiles, fridge shelves. For hidden areas, soak a cotton ball, tuck it into drawers, cabinets, behind furniture. Quiet freshness beats loud perfume every time. Secret 4. Clean with scent, not after. Most people clean first, then try to make the house smell good. That's backwards. Professionals infuse scent into the act of cleaning itself. So every wipe releases fragrance. Every mop pass fills the air. Every surface carries freshness. Your basic cleaner becomes water, white vinegar, 10 to 15 drops essential oil, lemon for brightness, lavender for calm, tea tree for purity, eucalyptus for clarity. Use it on counters, sinks, handles, tables, inside the fridge, bathroom surfaces. Add essential oil directly to your mop water too. Fall, orange and clove. Summer, mint and eucalyptus. Keep cloths soaked in this solution inside a sealed container. Grab, wipe, done. If cleaning ever feels like punishment in your life, this flips the emotional script. And if you're finding value here, subscribe to Senior Decluttering Diaries so these habits keep building together over time. Secret 5. Invisible aroma corners. The most beautiful scents in a home often come from places you never see. Behind furniture, inside pillowcases, inside drawers, bookshelves, vacuum filters, vent grates. This is how hotels smell good without blasting air freshener. Simple methods: cotton balls with essential oil, fabric scraps scented and tucked away, sachets with dried lavender, rose, rosemary, rice with essential oil inside small pouches to absorb moisture and release scent slowly. Heating and air vent trick: tape a scented cotton pad behind the vent cover. Every time the air circulates, your scent moves with it. Not loud, not artificial, just present. Invisible aroma corners are the difference between a clean home and a cared-for home. Secret 6. Let citrus work for you. Citrus doesn't just smell fresh, it feels fresh. It lifts mood. It cuts heaviness. It clears mental fog. Start saving peels. Orange, lemon, tangerine, grapefruit. Simmer them with water and a cinnamon stick or cloves. Your home will smell warm and welcoming in minutes. Dry the peels. Place them on trays in rooms. Mix with baking soda to absorb odor near trash and laundry. Make a spray. Water, rubbing alcohol, 2 essential oils blended. Try lavender plus eucalyptus, orange plus clove, mint plus lemon. Simmer herbs and spices: cinnamon, bay leaf, ginger, star anise, herbs. Let the steam move through your rooms. Live plants matter too: mint, basil, rosemary. They clean the air and release soft fragrance when brushed. Diffusers are fine, just don't run them all day. 2 short windows are enough. This is about gentle presence, not dominance. Secret 9. Scent hotspots. Every home has scent pressure points. Front entry, bathroom, kitchen, bedroom closets. They hold odor, or they become your strongest welcome. Entryway: reed diffuser or potpourri. Lightly mist your doormat. Bathroom. Baking soda jar under sink with eucalyptus oil. Mist walls after showers. Kitchen. Boil cinnamon and citrus after heavy cooking. Clean vent filters. Closets. Scented soap bars inside fabric pouches. Hotspots don't need constant attention. They need consistent intention. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to Senior Decluttering Diaries if you want more gentle systems like these that actually stick. Secret 10. The nighttime scent ritual. This is the most overlooked secret of all. Your home resets while you sleep. What you do for the last 10 minutes at night determines how your home smells in the morning. Here's the ritual. Crack a window for 5 minutes, just enough fresh air to reset the room. Mist sheets lightly with lavender or chamomile. Place a sachet inside the pillowcase if sprays bother you. Run your diffuser for 30 minutes maximum. Optional, a candle for 10 quiet minutes before bed. Vanilla or sandalwood. This doesn't just scent your home, it trains your nervous system to slow down at the same time every night. In the morning, the room greets you with calm instead of stale air. That changes the entire mood of your day before it starts. And now, I want to hear from you again. Which one of these secrets are you most excited to try first? Comment down below. I read every single one. If this video brought you a sense of calm, if it made you look at your home with softer eyes, then subscribe to Senior Decluttering Diaries so we can keep building peaceful homes together. Before you leave, one final question for the heart. What does home smell like to you? Tell me below. I'd love to know. Until next time, may your home feel lighter, warmer, and quietly filled with peace.